In Balio Rivalry, a hardcore Minecraft server, also called as the Philippine version of Unstable SMP, there's only one rule in this chaotic server: kill or be killed. Because if you die, you're permanently banned from the server, like this guy. And this is me, a criminal that killed hundreds of players at spawn, about to die and being permanently banned from our server. But to understand why I was on this situation, we have to go back from 30 minutes ago when I decided na gusto kong magala sa server para makita ang mga magagandang tanawin para mag-build. But suddenly, I was attacked by a group of players wearing netherite armor. Netherite armor was so rare because the world government corrupted everything and took every armor or resources and uses the word safe cover their crimes, and that is why some of the players at spawn is wearing copper armor. Okay bro, at this point y'all are just messing with me bro. Bro, I'm just here to see some beautiful places on our server. I wanted to build a base, a house, or anything, but your motherfuckers are still appearing on. I'll kill everyone, motherfucker. What, like, what are y'all? Ano problema nyo lahat, diba? Gusto ko lang naman mag-roam sa server natin, ha? Masama ba yun? Ngayon, patay kayong lahat sa akin, ha? Ano? Passing. Gusto ko lang maggala sa server natin, ha? Gusto ko lang maggala. Ano bang type nyo? Ha? Ano? Punta kayong lahat dito, ang dami-dami nyo. Gusto nyo ako mapabagsak? Bakit? Para saan, diba? At this point, tinatarantado nyo lang talaga ako, men. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-restock sa nakaraang laban ko nang biglang dumating si Jaden Hart. Si Jaden ay hindi lang basta player, dahil siya lang naman ang nag-iisang general ng world government at hawak niya ang buong batalyon ng world government, also called as the General Battalion. Pero siya din ay kaibigan ko at kasama ko siya lumaban sa first war. And he came to fight me. I don't know if I would accept this, but he just attacked me. Bro, are we really doing this right now? Bro. Fine. Bro, I was live, bro. I got a pretty good combo on Jaden and he was about to die until he flew away. But there's a problem. I only have 2 rockets and I'm running low on recharges. So if I can't find a solution here, I might get banned. I'm being cooked by Jaden, bro. Man. I'm being cooked by Jaden, bro. I'm lagging. How are you still alive, bro? Bro, you didn't even pop, bro. What the fuck?
Bro, at the captain. Oy, oy, oy. Lag, bro.
Whew! I almost died there. Almost got banned because my Enderpearl
Bro,
didn't land.
hindi naglag yung ano. Ay, hindi naglag.
My armor is about to die. I have to fix it before he did. It's just a matter of time to fight again.
Book by Jaden. Ngayon.
Since he flew away to restock, I restock too. But I still have no rockets. Nilabas niya yung maze niya and dito ako natawa kasi we just laugh it up kasi tinan niyo naman hindi siya marunong mag-wind charge. Di ko alam.
Advantage ko lang kay Jaden, mas magaling ako mag-maze.
Tinatanong ako ni Jaden kung paano mag-wind charge, so pinakita ko sa kanya kung paano.
Di pala bago mag-ano, mag-wind charge si Jaden. Ano yung ano sa ano? Mag-wind charge ko sa poly kahit ano kahit ano. Hours na pala.
Ayos ang laban nang biglang may nangyari.
Bro. Motherfucker. Thank you, Jaden.
tinigil nga muna namin yung laban para mag-restock and
Bro,
this is a rematch.
Okay. Time up. Ang bilis. Sa General Battalion. Ako na para
Na-disconnect nga si Jaden at hindi na natuloy yung laban namin. So bumalik na nga lang ako sa base nun with my dignity crushed and my name. Because he broke my armor, my leggings. But it's hindi lang ito basta armor. It's my identity. Yun ang dahilan kung bakit ako tinatawag na Black Tiger. And now it was destroyed, sira na din ako. I technically didn't lose, but for me, I did lose. I didn't die, but I lost something. Not just an armor trim or my dignity. It was my identity. My armor has a sentimental value for me because it's a symbol of power and strength, meaning I am the Black Tiger, unkillable and untouchable. But now that it was destroyed, there's no point anymore. I have to get it back. My dignity, I have to won. This is no longer me. I'm no longer the Black Tiger. Losing an armor trim meant losing my dignity and my power. I have to get back on Jaden, bro. I need a revenge.